Backlogs. Every JEE aspirant has them, but no one tells you how to actually clear them. You are studying new chapters in your coaching, but there are some chapters which are still untouched, and those are reducing your marks in your mock test, and you are worried. Then don't worry. In this video, I will give you a few steps using which you can just remove your backlogs in a proper way. So like most of you feel like you are falling behind and your friends are ahead because they don't have backlogs. But trust me, you're not alone. Almost everyone has some kind of backlogs, so it's not a failure, it's just a scheduling mistake. So what you have to do, so what you're doing, you're trying to cover your backlogs along with the current topics, and you have no schedule. That's why you are not able to complete your backlogs. So what you have to do, just don't say that you have backlogs in physics, your backlogs in maths. Just try to write down those backlogs whatever you have, so that you will get to know how much you are left behind. So just write down if you have backlog in rotation, if you have backlog in chemical bonding, just write down on a paper and then mark them easy, medium, hard, so that you will get to know how you can proceed. Just start with the easy ones so that you will feel accomplished in the starting. So so that you will get us clarity like what all you have to cover. So what you have to do is, here's the rule: you just have to complete your current chapter along with your coaching or whatever you are taking, and then what you have to do is you have to complete a part of your backlog, just a small part of your backlog along with that current topic. So let's say if you are studying electrostatic in your class, then what you have to do, you have to take out 40 to 50 minutes from your daily schedule and just give that shit, and then just give that time to that chapter that you have to cover. Let's say it's limits, so just give 40 minutes. And also what you have to do, you don't have to cover an entire chapter in a day because that's not possible in 40 to 50 minutes, and if you even try, you will like it's of no use. So what you have to do, just read the theory. Let's say you are reading limits, then just try to read the theory. If you haven't watched the lecture, then just watch lectures 2 3 days, it's fine. Just take your time and first cover the theory, then solve problems, like really good problems on those on those concepts that you have read. What you have to do, you don't have to finish the entire chapter in one go. You have to break it into sessions, like one day just try to complete your theory or concepts. If you haven't watched the lectures, then just watch lectures in 2 3 days, and then give some time to solve the problems that will help you to cover your basics from that chapter. So that's a structure way, like you are covering your theory, clearing your concepts, and also like solving some problems. So that will help you later on. Otherwise, it's of no use. Like if you're just trying to cover your chapter using one shot, then it will not make any sense in your exam. So just try to follow this. Just complete your theory first, then you clear all the concepts from that chapter. Just take time. Like if you want to take 4 to 5 days for limits, then just take it. But try to complete it at least at the basic level, that you are able to solve JEE mains level questions, and you might try some PYQs after you have solved some basic questions. And then what you have to do, on the Sunday, just take out more time, like just 2 to 3 hours for your backlogs. Just try to revise your backlogs, like whatever backlogs you have covered till yet, just try to revise them. So that will make them more solid, like you will not forget them easily. So that will help you to strengthen more and more, and those will not be part of your backlogs anymore. If you follow these things, then I'm sure you will be able to complete your backlogs along with the current chapters that you're doing, and without like on a good level. It's not just a shallow covering by watching some one shot. You're you're covering that chapter from basics to advanced by giving some time, and that too by properly making a schedule. So remember, like, backlogs doesn't mean failure. It means you're still in the game, but you have to try, you have to make a plan and follow it. Then only you will be able to complete it, right? So if you also have backlogs, then just comment below. I will, and if you have got any other doubts, then let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, then hit the like button.